This is the Lalord pour over coffee maker. It is a wonderful drip coffee. This is the 3-cup carafe version, which is perfect for 1 to 2 people. So easy to use. It has a paperless stainless steel filter. Just pour your coffee grounds in there, or your herbal teas or herbal coffees. Pour the hot water in and just let it drip. No coffee filters, so there's no chemicals getting into your coffee or your tea. It's just a pure drip there. It has a wonderful wooden accent here, so there's no heat there when you're ready to pour. It takes a couple minutes because you need to pour a couple times to get the full 3-cup effect. And it just so beautifully drips down there. The carafe itself is made of Borosilicate glass, which is chemical free, and it does not absorb any oils. So when your coffee has done its last drip, so easily take a pour there, pour in your creamer, and enjoy. The coffee filter is so easy to clean. The carafe is just a good rinse and wipe inside. Very, very lovely drip coffee maker.